Dustin, estoy bendecida en haber sido escogida para ser tu esposa y prometo cuidar y quererte hasta el fin del tiempo.
Diana, from the moment I met you, I knew that you were the one I had been waiting for. I stand before you today not just as your husband, but as the person to spend the rest of my life with you.
Dustin says that he loves her sense of humor, the ambition that she carries herself with, and the compassion that she has inside of her heart. Diana says that he always has the ability to make him laugh, the emotional intelligence that he carries himself with, and the tenderness not just with her, but the tenderness that he shows with others in this life.
Dustin, tú has sido mi mejor amigo y siempre me has apoyado en los momentos más hermosos y difíciles de la vida. Eres una preciosa luz que ilumina mis días más oscuros y nunca fallas en ponerme una sonrisa. Después de todos estos años, todavía me haces sentir mariposas y sé que jamás van a desaparecer.
We have both grown so much these past 6 years, and I have become a better person because of you. Someday, we will build a beautiful family, and I'll cherish each passing day as we grow old together. I simply cannot thank you enough for being my best friend and my partner. I love you so much. Te amo.
Diana, I've never seen you as happy as when you're with Dustin, and it's clear to all of us that you bring out the best in each other.
My son Dustin, you have an amazing woman in your life, and I'm happy that I'm a part of being here and seeing this glorious day.
Gracias, Dustin, por quererla, por estar con ella en sus momentos difíciles. Mil bendiciones para los dos.
Diana, I vow to cherish every single day, to love you unconditionally in both good times and bad. Whether the path ahead is smooth or challenging, I will laugh with you in moments of joy and comfort you when you need it most. I promise to always be your safe place and to never take a single moment we share for granted. With you, I know what it means to truly be home, and I vow to make our home a place filled with love, laughter, and understanding. With this ring, I give you my heart, my trust, and my unwavering commitment. Thank you for all that you've done and continue to do. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. I love you now and always.
Como pueden ver, el verdadero acto del amor empieza en el corazón. I now pronounce you guys as husband and wife. Sir, you may kiss your bride.
May your love be everlasting and be the happy ever after that you both will make it out to be.